Hey everyone, so this video is going to go over how to create an interactive choice board, but more with the submission aspect through Google Forms. So how do you create a Google form where students can upload various types of files to it so you can view? So what you're going to do is when you're in your Google Drive, all you're going to do is open a new file. So you're going to select the new option, and when you click on it, you'll be prompted for your Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Slides. But if you scroll down to more, you'll actually be able to select a new Google form. So let's open a new Google form. And when it populates here, I'm just going to change the title just to HyperDoc Sub for HyperDoc Submission. Okay. So once I have that, I have to scroll down to my untitled question. And all I need in this case is one question. So I'm just going to say for the students, submit work here. Okay. Now I could add a photo, I can add all these different things if I want, but the main thing that I want to do, and this is the key component, is I want you to scroll over to where it's a multiple choice question, and you are going to change that and scroll down to File Upload. So when I do that, it's going to say let respondents upload files to Drive. So all the files that are uploaded to this form go into my Google Drive. So I have to allow that access. So I'm going to do that and say continue. But when I do that, now I have the maximum number of files that can be submitted along with the maximum file size. And I can change the parameters of that however I see fit. And then notice below that where it says file types allowed all, if I click on this option, I can remove certain types if I want. But for me, all my students use these frequently. So they might decide to attach a link in a document. Maybe they use a spreadsheet, they attach a video, an image, whatever it may be. So I'm going to apply to allow all of these. The other important element that you have to consider is you have to make this a required question. So that means they have no choice but to submit that. Okay? And once you have that, the only two things that I would do is I would go up to your settings option, which is the little gear in the top right hand corner, and I would go to presentation, and you can leave a confirmation message like thank you for your hard work, and then I can save that. And then lastly, I'm going to go to the send option. And when I go to the send, I'm going to scroll over and to the link option, and I always like to shorten the URL. So if you click on this link, so see when I have it just left as normal, I'm going to shorten this link because it works a lot easier for me just inserting with shorter URLs, like when we use teeny URLs. And I'm going to copy this link, so I can copy it or click. And then once I have that, I can insert the link now into my interactive choice board. I hope that helps for making this process a little bit easier for that component.